I will show you how to play Mad Max on Core 2 Duo E7400 2.8 GHz. I use 4 GB of RAM. My graphics card is NVIDIA GeForce GTX 460. Okay, uh, this is Mad Max. My settings is present high. My resolution is 1280 times 960, and let's play the game.
Say, oh, say, come and see. Come and see, oh, say. Yes, she's with these hands and the blessings of the sacred Illinois. She's come to life. Sweet angel combustion. What did I tell you? V8, not V6.
You can play 60 FPS in Core 2 Duo using GTX 460, 1 GB of virtual RAM.
We have the car. We need to go. You know a safe place. Somewhere we can rebuild. Gee, of the Great White.
This game is recommended for 64-bit operating system of Windows Vista 7 and 8. Recommended processor i5 650 or 3.2 GHz or AMD Phenom 2 times 4 or quad-core of 3.4 GHz. Recommended RAM is 6 GB and video card of GTX 660 and AMD Radeon HD 7870 with 2 GB virtual memory.
Danger is everywhere. Evil lurks behind every move. Rain. That's what we need. A shooter with some rain. Our rifle barrels. A caliber. Large caliber, yeah. Real live gunshot. How'd you get one?
This is my PC.
Perhaps these nimble black fingers are skilled in such metallurgy. Are you saying you can build it?
This is
Each has the parts I need.
little game of Mad Max. If you like it, click like button, and if you don't like it, press unlike button. Thanks for watching. I'm not